Good morning, students. Today, I hope all of you are well at home and all of you are enjoying this online video classes. Last day, we have completed the revision work. I hope all of you have done and completed your revision work in your copies along with the date. And who have not completed, they also complete your home that revision work in your copies. Okay, and previously I have told you, as discussed we have earlier, that you have to make one copy for classwork, homework and for revision work. Okay, if you have not got the zone book, then you have to make a interleaf copy. Okay, now today uh, we will start the new chapter, that is advanced formatting in GIM, GIMP. So editing in GIMP we have discussed earlier. If you have not seen that video, or if any problem is in understanding, then you first see that video, editing in GIMP, then you see this video. Okay, otherwise you can't understand, because this one is the continuation of that previous chapter. Okay, so today we will start the new chapter. Okay, so advanced GIMP tool. Here you can see the different type of dialog boxes. Okay, and docking also you can see. Docking means what? Docking means a collection of dialog boxes. Different type of dialogues are present in this docs. Okay, so dialogues and docking are small movable boxes that appear on the GIMP window. I think you have seen that previous windows in GIMP. You can easily access an option from dialogues and dockings without following long procedures. Now dialogues are small windows. Okay, small window which is used to similar sets of tools, where you can see the similar sets of tools, and this collection of dialogues is called a dockable dialogue. Okay, so here you can see this one is dialogue, and this beside that this one is dock. Here you can see the different types of like layers, brushes, then paths. Okay, so there are different types of boxes are there, or you can say dialogues are there. Okay, so channel, layer, brush, pattern, okay, paths. So these are the small boxes, dialog boxes, and docs is a collection of these boxes. Now first one we will see, that is layer dialog. Layer dialog means what? It displays the number of layers in an image. Suppose you have created 5 layers, then all these 5 layers will shown in this layer dialog box. Okay, so layers allow you to work with one segment of an image at a time. Only one image when it currently at a time you can do the work on only one channel, one layer. So you can add multiple layers to an image in GIMP, and the last layer, that is called background layer, or you can say the main image. Okay, so now you can add or delete also, which image you want to delete also you can do that. Now how will you activate the layer dialog? For that, on the image window, click the Windows menu. Image window you have seen that on the standard toolbar on the top of the window. You can see image window. There you have to click on the Windows menu, and from the Windows menu you can you have to move the cursor on the dockable dialogues. You will see one option, dockable dialogues. When you will click on the dockable dialogues, then a list of dialogues, dockable dialogues will appear. So you have to click on the layers option. You can see there layer, channel, path, and there are different type of dialogues are there. So you have to click on the layer option. So in this way you can activate the layer dialog. So I think all of you understand. So there are different multiple layers you can insert here. Okay, and the last layer is called background image, or you can say main window, main layer. Okay, background layer, or you can say main layer. Next one is channel dialog. Channel dialog means it displays the color channel of the image. Primarily there are three colors: red, green and blue. Now in this, suppose your image is black, and if the image is black and white, then only one color it will show, that is gray color. But if the image is in colored, then primarily it will show you three colors: blue, green and yellow, red. Which one you want to see, you can select on that. So before to disable that channel box, you have to click on the eye symbol. You can see the eye symbol beside that layer, beside that channel, you can say. So for on that eye symbol to the right of a color channel on the dialog box, you have to click on that. So if you disable this symbol, the color of the image, it will change. Okay, so just for example, you can see here that you can see that sunflower is in yellow color. But when you are clicking on that eye symbol, beside that you can see the eye symbol. When you will click on the eye symbol on red color or blue color, then it will come to this, it will color to change in this color. Okay, so when you will click on the red channel, red color channel, the color of the image will change. So I hope all of you understood channel dialog. And this channel dialog also you can activate through the same process in which you have where that layer dialogs you have activated. The same similarly here also you have to first you have to click on the image window from the Windows menu, and then Windows menu will appear. There you can see the dockable dialog. So you have to move the cursor on that dockable dialog, then you can see the different types of dockable dialogs. Okay, so you have to click there, from that list you have to click channel dialog. Okay, so when you will click on the channels option, then this channel dialog will appear in your window. There you have to click the eye symbol, which one you want to do. Suppose you want to change it in red, then you have to click on the eye symbol beside that red. If you want to change it into blue, then you have to click on the eye symbol that beside that blue. Okay, so this is the way how will you layer, channel, this thing you can do. Now next one is path. Path means what? Path means actually it is used to control the path. Path dialog, actually it is used to control the paths, which is created by that path tools. Okay, through the path tools you can create the paths, and these paths you can manage by creating and deleting them as your requirement. And here also the eye symbol, where if eye symbol is visible, then that means path is active. Okay, and if eye symbol is not there, then path you can't change, you can't do any work with that paths. Okay, so these paths you can also lock this path through this lock path stroke icon. You can see here in the paths dialog, lock icon is there. You can see that lock icon. So when you will click on lock icon, then automatically the path will locked, and there you cannot change anything. Okay, so today that's all. Thank you.